is a Christmas tree.
Ho, ho, ho.
Nice, Maeve. Here's another one, love.
Yeah, we can put ours right just here by the light. Lovely snowflake. Thanks. Oh, I just found a perfect spot. Let's go.
The perfect place.
Who's that?
Who's that? Say hi to Uncle Matt. Say hi, Uncle Matt.
Please come see me and say hello, please.
Let's hang it up. I'll hang it.
Can you show them how to do it, Maeve?
First of all,
There we go. Good job.
another one.
That's a lot easier than those dangly ones.
Dad, do you like this one? Here.
Is that one? Yeah, that one's good where you have it.
Thank you for helping me decorate the tree. Maeve, you're doing such a beautiful job. The tree looks beautiful.